Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. What we have today, what we can show you. This is the handcuffs, toy handcuffs, gray color, toy handcuffs. Oh no, I'm not going to the prison. White color, and blue color, revolver. So you can shoot with the Nerf or with the balls, plastic balls. Also we have a grenades. Toy grenades, plastic toy grenades, gray color, also gray color and black color. So you can play with them. The next one is the gun. This is the name, sound gun, shooting sound gun. Wow! Green color, purple color, purple color. Shotgun. Orange color, revolver, toy revolver. You can shoot with the balls, plastic balls and the Nerf. So nice. Orange color, green color. The next one is the knife, toy knife, plastic toy knife. Yellow color, green color. Shotgun, plastic shotgun. Green color, orange color, yellow color, green color, orange color, and blue color. Bye bye.
Like and subscribe our channel.